Hello, this is James McDonald coming to you with the second video on my zero force motor to go over the few changes that I've actually made since April. Let's get down to the first major change is the timing. I did away with the cone, which is right here is the cone with the reed switches mounted on it and magnets turned on the inside for the timing. And now put in two 12-gauge wires, drilled them into the wood and bent them around and put some bigger reed switches on them, as I was having trouble with the reed switches breaking. So the magnets were put in. There was one discovery that I made during this setup, that the magnet types that I use, you have to be very careful with the way you set them up. I had two norths and two souths, and it'll draw too much current and the motor won't run. So if you put them on, one north facing out and one south facing out, it's pretty good. Runs great. Now here's the PCB board I made to run the ZFM. I wanted to show here what happens with these big magnets that I have inside here when you just rotate the axle without power hooked up. No power at all. Watch the LEDs. One LED is yellow and the other one is red. You can see me powering the thing with my hand, and you can see the LEDs going. And look at the scope. The scope is on the 5-volt scale at 20 milliseconds, and you can see the signal that's on the scope. Also you can see the spikes, coming off the coil. And now if I let go of it, you'll see it go down to 0. Alright, let's move the scope on up to the 50-volt scale to this other, for this next test. Each channel on 50 volts. I'm going to turn on the meter. I'm going to turn on the current meter. As you can see, there's 25.6 volts with two batteries here, two marine batteries hooked in series. Currently there's no current flowing since it's not on, and we have Blinky Bill and Skippy here with the Joey to witness all of the measurements. Here we go. The first test, 24 volts running. You can see the current at 1.65, which is actually high for. I'm going to adjust that down. By moving the reed switch a bit. I'm going to take a RPM reading. I'll wait for it to get stable here. RPMs are at 3,660. I don't know if you can see that, but it fluctuates around a little bit. The meter's not working that well. So here's the current when it's running at a fairly low speed, and it's not, the timing is not generated that much. over here on the scope, you can see it's running on, I don't know if you can see this very well through the video, but it's on the 50 volt scale and it's 20 milliseconds and the signal's pretty much running. Alright, now here comes the real test. Watch the scope. I'm going to turn the power off. You'll hear the sound go away, but watch the spikes. That's 50 volt scale. You see it's like 4 divisions there. That's 200 volts worth of spikes. We're starting back up. You see this again. See the spikes? We'll turn it off. Turn it back on. And we'll turn it back off. See the spikes? And you can see the board as it's spinning down. Now here's a video of the current when it first turns on. It's at a full stop right now. So I went to 2.14 and it's building up. It should go down once it gets to a steady number. It should go down to 0.85. You see the coil on field building. Down to the run current. You see it's at 67, 68, 670 milliamps. So it's probably up close to 680 exactly. There's the motor running. Now I'm going to put my hand on the motor to slow it down. Just watch the current. It's still driving even though I'm squeezing it really hard. See the LEDs are flashing. I got my hand on the motor pretty tight. See the current. I let go of it. It goes back down to where it was. The speed spins up. Take another measurement here. See where we're running at. Right now we're running about 2,500 RPM. Oh no, it's actually 3,389. I don't know if you can see that. The angle, I'll try to angle it to get the picture in. There it is, 34. Well, that's about it for this video. You can see the current, witnesses watching it, Lindsay, Bill, and Skippy, and we're on the 5-man series, and we'll look at the spikes one more time in the video as I turn it off. See those 200 volt spikes, and that